In this video, we're going over advanced posting strategies. So how to use this application to get more reach, get more engagement, and how to manage going forward. So let's jump right in. Here's what you're going to learn. How to get more engagement on your posts. How to use different post types to increase engagement. How to use Facebook lists. How to guarantee increased reach. Strategies on how to add new friends after you get started, and how to manage lists with FriendFilter. First, how to get more engagement on your posts. Now here's a post example. I'm cleaning up my friends list. If you want to stay connected, comment below with a GIF image or whatever that might be. Personally, I hate these posts. It's not something that I really wanted to mention here, but those posts do get engagement. I can't stand them. Do you know why I can't stand them? Because the posts mostly only show to people that are already engaged. Well, let me show you how to use this app to show these types of posts to people who are not engaged, who have never engaged with your profile. Those are the people that need to see our posts. So stop posting things like this to your existing friends and let me show you how to post them to the people who are not engaged with your posts. Fair enough? Be sure first to install FriendFilter. You can go to friendfilter.io. Then run your friend scan, pull in all your friend activity, and then run your post scan, pull in all your post activity. After you get all that data, it'll look like this. So you'll see your actives, inactives, and whitelisted. So this is the FriendFilter lists. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to take the people from the inactive and move them to the whitelisted. So at your next family holiday, it's not awkward when they're asking why you removed them on Facebook. So go ahead and add all your friends and family over into the whitelisted column where you might not accidentally delete them and have an awkward family get together. So try not to do that. That's not what we're trying to do here. Next, what you're going to do is open that inactive list. So open that up in FriendFilter. Side by side, open up your custom privacy and your custom posting privacy. You can use Facebook. This is inside Facebook. You can use Facebook to start creating lists inside Facebook of your inactive list. So we're going to start taking some of these people, your inactive people, and start adding them to lists of people to share with. And you can do it the other way around and take your active list and add people there to not share with. It's up to you. Either take your active list and put that don't share, or your inactive list and put that up to share, right? Now you don't need to add all of them, but you can certainly add a bunch of them because I have, in this instance, 2,965 people who are not engaging with my posts. It's a pretty big number of people. I want those people to see my posts. That's how I'm going to show you how to do this. So once you add those people, so say this 2,965, say I just add 100 of them to get started. And it is manual. Facebook doesn't let you auto upload, unfortunately, so it is a manual process that you'll have to do. However, when you do add them, you are almost guaranteed to show to those people. So it's not going to show to your active list. It would only show to your inactive people. This is a guaranteed way to increase your engagement. So also, Facebook gives you many ways to post. So change it up for your inactive list. So that would be, say you add your inactive list here and you have 100 people, or the other way, you take your active list and you don't share with those people, so you're only sharing with these people, and also maybe your whitelisted people you might want to add in as well. So you can start sending all sorts of different posts to these people. Try GIF images, try different photos or videos, try the little feeling things, try doing a live video, try asking for recommendations, try doing a nonprofit. Try so many different things that are available here to try to get those inactive people to engage. So you could choose 100 of them and you could message and do whatever you can inside of your page to see if you can get those people to engage, right? And it will show to them. So you're guaranteed to expand your reach because you either will get those people to engage or you'll just remove them. So a great way to do it could be perhaps you go alphabetical, and in your inactive list, you do all the A's because it'll be first name A. So you could take all the A's and then you could put all the A names into a list inside of Facebook. So you could have all the A names right inside of here, and you could try to share a couple posts with them. If they don't engage with any of your different post types, you could just remove them. And it's such an easy way to expand your reach, is to get those people to start engaging. Because once they engage once, that's the key. Once they engage once, then Facebook will start showing your posts to them. So what we need to do is, this isn't like a game where it's like you're trying to like game, with people and play with people's emotions. No, it's not about that. It's about knowing how the Facebook algorithm works and using the tool to actually show your posts to people who might actually want to see your posts, because Facebook isn't showing your posts to all of your people. So in order to unlock this, you have to get them to engage one time. Once you get them to engage one time, they'll see your next post. Once you get them to engage again, they'll see your next post. Then you can move on to a different inactive section and start working on that to make sure that they see your posts. By the end, you'll have increased engagement. I've gone from 900 engaged up to 1,400. I've almost doubled my engagement list, and I'm just getting started. I'm literally not even at the tip of the iceberg yet. So it's absolutely incredible what you can do with this software when you know, because you can't improve something if you don't know. And you can't improve your reach if you don't know where to improve. That's what FriendFilter does. So now going forward, how do you manage all your friend requests? It says right here, respond to your 1,000 friend requests. I have 5,000 friend requests. It just shows 1,000 as the number. So once you get a handle on all of your existing engagement, it's time to add new friends. So I go through and I like to take a look to make sure that they're aligned with what it is that I'm doing and accept people based upon that. So what I also do is I send them a quick message or a quick comment on their latest post, right? What does that do? This will guarantee in the algorithm that they will see your next post. If you comment, engage with them in their post, it will guarantee that they see your next post that you post. All right? Increased reach, guaranteed. Then, when you accept them as a friend, drop them a quick message. So that's it. So I just send them a quick message and just let them know. So after 1 week of doing this, we recommend 1 week of adding new people, like a couple people a day, going and messaging them and just continuing to post daily and continuing to curate your list. After 1 week, run a new friend scan, and all these new friends are going to come in. You always have to run a friend scan first. Then after that, run your post scan again. So this is scanning your posts. You can choose to run it for 7 days and then run that post scan. So all that data will then populate into your dashboard. It's just a screenshot, and it's not necessarily real data. And the inactives will then populate into your inactive. So if anyone came over from inactive over to active, they'll move over to your active tab. Otherwise, everyone will be in your inactive tab, and then you'll also have your whitelisted that stays and your unfriended that's over there. Then you can continue whitelisting some of those new people. Perhaps you made some new good business connections. You want to move them over to your whitelist. Go ahead and move them over. Then you won't accidentally delete them in the future. And then, like always, you can click and highlight all the people you want to remove from the active tab. Just a quick refresher, you can use the shift keys to select a range of rows, or hold down Control or Command, depends on PC or Mac, and it will toggle as you click on each row. So you'll be able to click and select based upon that. And also, you can choose how many per page. So you could go up to 500. Say you just want to remove everyone on that page. You could literally click the first person, hold down Shift, and click the last person. It would add 500 selected, and then you could click unfriend to go ahead and unfriend them. Then, like always, be sure to set an alarm. I have mine set for every Sunday, so I log in on Sundays, log into FriendFilter, and run my 7-day scan. It definitely helps to keep your list clean. I run the friend scan first and run the post scan right after that and pull in all the fresh data to keep my page up to date. So that is the advanced strategies on how to use FriendFilter to grow your reach, guaranteed. Thank you so much for watching.